What's up, YouTube? It's your boy SRT Ron in the building, man. Today I got a little night POV, you know, something simple and slight, man. Nothing major. Riding around in the track, you feel me? Hey, fuck that, it's a track, bro. It's a track, bro. Damn, it's a track, bro. I couldn't lie to y'all that long, bro. It's a track. God damn. You see that, bro? Okay, then. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Get dirty in the middle of the road. Just because, you feel me? So that be down in the middle of the road. You feel me? We stop in the middle of the road like this right here. Get dirty in the middle of the road, you feel me? In that SRT thing, baby. But yeah, man. Hey, this is my YouTube channel for y'all that don't know. I don't even think I got a video of me really talking for real, but here go the first one. Night POV, man. Little night POV. Get nasty in that track, man. Let me get up out of that though. Wait till we get to the city, man. Hopefully, goddamn 12 don't be on nuts. You feel me? Hopefully 12 don't be on nuts. I don't know if I'm holding the camera in the right spot, but I feel like I am. Check out the look, you feel me? What's going on?
Yeah, I know.
I should drive all the way through this motherfucker and see where they at. They be like, she right here. She ain't crippled.
Yes, I am.
This is where my mama used to stay at. Big SRT thing, baby. You see it on the steering wheel. You feel me? See it on the steering wheel. Yeah.